Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Hi, hi. I really don't know what to say, Kesana, in today's video because not so long ago, yes, it has not even been 24 hours. Not so long ago, we were happy for Uvuyokazi that she finally moved on. She received flowers for her birthday. Yesterday, she received nice balloons, and one of the balloon was written that will you marry me, and this small beautiful bento cake. Right now we were happy with Vuyokazi has finally moved on. Then this was posted on Instagram by Chef Sibego, Chef Xolani Sibego, and then we all got to know how can be the mystery guy is Xolani Sibego, because we did not know, and there were rumors at first which the two were dating, but Vuyokazi denied the rumors. We saw okay, fine. This picture was posted by Chef Xolani Sibeko. We were happy for her that she has finally moved on and left baby daddy. How the news broke, Kesana, today. Apparently, allegedly, this guy is a scammer. He owes a lot of people, guys. People have been complaining that he's owing them money. They want their money back. Kuningi. Yo. Apparently, Mugai has a 11-month-old baby, and he is currently in the UK, and the trip to go to the UK was actually sponsored by his baby mama. Guys, there are screenshots everywhere. When will the poor girl get a break, mother? So now here are screenshots. This is from Facebook, I think. So Usinenhlanhla Ngcobo says he owes so many people imali isigelekeqe mesefuna ukuzotrenda ngoVuyokazi la. Angazi yini ephaphisa umuntu okweleta abantu imali. He had not posted her, ngabe asikhumbulanga ukuthi unezikweleti. Then she also said she's dating a scammer. This guy must pay back my sister's money. Nethegu lonke leli alikweletayo. And this is, as in, guys, Pelake allegedly the money that he used to pay for the flowers, the cakes, and the balloons, he borrowed it, Kesana. He borrowed it, I think, from his baby mama, if I'm not mistaken. Kodwa he borrowed the money to send apparently he's in the UK, so he borrowed the money to buy the flowers, and then bawathumela ke kuVuyokazi and the will you marry me thing. Like, I didn't know, Kesana, ukubana he's currently in the UK. Imagine proposing someone while you are not there physically, sending a balloon written will you marry me. Nah, you say yes, because he posted ukuthi she said yes. Like, would you say yes? The person is not even there. Hi Kona. And then there's another comment written by Uphiwe Ndlondi. This person unengane eno 11 months. Hey, guningi man, guningi. Yes, I feel sorry for Uvuyokazi. Hey, I'm not sure if Kesana she already knew about the baby mama and the child, because it could be that she already knew and the guy told her that they broke up. Yabon. It could be possible. But now, judging from the comments from the baby mama, guys, there are voice notes circulating everywhere. I just can't include these voice notes here because now every YouTuber is using those voice notes. Yeah, man. So I don't want to get copyright strike. Kodwa ke, yeah, guningi guys, guningi. Hi, guningi. I just feel for the poor girl. She's so beautiful, man. She doesn't deserve any of us. Not that anyone deserves it, but she doesn't deserve it. First of all, you borrow the money to spoil me. I'm happy and all. You propose to me over a balloon. You are not even there. Like, couldn't you just wait until you get here, then get on one knee? And you are proposing Ganjena. You owe a lot of people money. Even for you to go to the UK, you were helped by your baby mama. You know? How are you going to pay for the wedding? But guys, when you propose someone an engagement wait, there was no engagement ring, kanene. There was no engagement ring. There was just a balloon. But an engagement ring must be followed by money for lobola. We can't be wearing engagement rings until usisiwe deku aze ashon. No, guys. It has to be followed by money. So if you propose and then think you are still going to save money for lobola, you are just wasting your time and Vuyokazi's time, you know? You are just wasting each other's time. Just save money, then go and propose. Hey, kuningi sham kuningi. I wonder how she's feeling now. Imagine it's not even 24 hours. You were happy, you were over the moon. Out of the blue nje sana sekunje iyo.